Oh, my name is Julia Wolfgang. I'm a design and sales consultant here at Foster Remodeling Solutions. I started college as a business major. My parents were self-employed my entire childhood. I thought I was going to be a business owner. I grew up in that environment and I just assumed that's what I should do. And it wasn't until my junior year of college that I realized I really enjoyed design and being creative more than the business side of it. So I actually changed majors. And then I eventually created my own business. So I did both of these things together. But ultimately, after I closed that business after 20 years, a very successful business, I missed design and I wanted a new aspect of design, and I wanted to work directly with homeowners. So because I was a business owner for so long, coming from a family of entrepreneurs, my standards were very high in terms of customer service and delivery and execution. When I found Foster and read the reviews for Foster, I felt like it would be the right fit for me. So when I found Foster and saw the process and the dedication and commitment, doing an excellent job for the customer, and that it really is more about customer service than anything else, I felt like it was the right fit for me. So that's how I ended up here. We really make an effort to try to make it feel seamless. If you're doing your job well, they don't feel that stress. They realize that there was a lot of planning involved, getting to that part of the process with them, getting to the finish line. Favorite part of this process, first one is when I'm presenting the initial concept to a client. For the first time, they get to see their space in a different way. Because we do 3D rendering, they get to visually see it. And I think it's an exciting part for the client to see the 3D renderings. Then the fun part begins when they decide to move forward, where we're picking, all the different finishes and making tweaks to the design and the plan. The best part is when it's all completely done and they have their home back. Here I design bathrooms, kitchens, whole house remodels, interior, second floor addition where we renovate several floors. I do exterior design work, porches and deck. I'm blessed to be able to do all of them. We do have a large team of people that work here together, and it's sort of a cohesive work environment. All along the way, there are different members of the team that are participating in every project that we do until it's completely done. If they haven't already met David Foster, they will meet him at the very end of the project when we go to meet them to hand off the warranty binder. The best way to get started when you're ready is to make an appointment with us. You can go online and schedule an appointment with myself or another designer here at the firm, or you can call the office and make an appointment that way. We'll be happy to come out and see you and talk about your project and what you want to accomplish, and then we'll talk about the next steps.